Hi everyone, in today's video, we are going to apply our patent pending skins to a Surface Laptop 3. As you can see, the Surface laptops suffer very badly from wear and tear. Step 1. Apply the application tape to the skin and make it stick by using the squeegee. Step 2. Use the application tape and align the skins to the palm rest. Step 3. Start from the keyboard and go out. Align the skins with the keys and press down firmly. Use the squeegee to smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles. Start from the middle and work your way to the sides. Then squeegee from top to bottom and bottom to top. This ensures no tension on the rest of the skin. Step 4. Once the keyboard is covered, move on to the edges of the palm rest. Use your nail and the heat gun to press down the skins along the edges. Be careful not to use too much heat, as you might damage the keyboard or the skin. Step 5. Finally, use the squeegee to push the skins into the gaps between the palm rest and the laptop body. This will make the skins look seamless and natural. And that's it. You have successfully refurbished your Surface Laptop's palm rest with our skins. You can see how amazing it looks in this video. Remember, all our skins and stickies come with a 3-year warranty from peeling or fading. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below or contact us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.